From Bean Studio, and today I'm gonna show you how to create really cool shadow effect for your text. So let's get started. I'm going back to my work mode. I have my layers here already. So I will gonna first hide my group here, which I already did, and I have my regular text here. And if you don't know how to create regular text, I have made video about it, and actually I have a whole playlist about how to get started videos which are made for using Adobe Fresco app on iPad. So I will put the link in the description for that. And let's get started with this. So we have our regular text here, okay? So you just made the regular text. And then we go on this layer if you're not already. Then you duplicate this layer, okay? And then you go back to under layer. Then you're gonna use text tool here, okay? You press text tool and you choose some other color, for example, darker. And you can see it goes a bit dark already. Okay, you're on that layer, it shows you real time how it looks like. Okay, let's keep it like that. And now we go transform tool, okay? And now it makes like this, that you move it a bit on the left, on the right. And now you have snapping on, so it might actually bother you. So let's just hit done now, and let's go to our snapping, which is in the precision tools. And I will turn off snapping for this moment because it will bother us to do nice shadow. So I go back to my shadow layer here, and then I move it now slowly on the right, okay? And maybe a bit back because it's a bit too much. So we want to keep it like natural, you know? And I just hit any other button to make it not selected. Okay, so now we created this really nice shadow, and this is the way you do your shadow. If you want to now move this group of text with the shadow, you can just group them like that and move them with transform tool, just like that. So it's that easy. Okay. Alright, and let's hit done. So this was really quick tutorial how to make shadow effect in Adobe Fresco. Thanks for watching and see you soon again. Bye bye.